Hi guys, my lighting isn't that great, but I need to get this taken care of. I want to show you guys. I'm going to start unmolding what we did today with the plaster of Paris, okay? So here is, I'm trying to stay out so I don't shadow everything. Here are my ice cream cones, and this mold again is from the Pink Tree, a dear friend of mine, my mentor. And I'll sand that down. That's a little bit wonky. Let's see about this one. And I'll let these continue to dry. Nice. And then we'll put a big scoop, maybe 2 of ice cream on these. Beautiful. Dawn, these are beautiful. This mold turned out perfect. Thank you, sweet. Happy you're here. We're going to make a couple ice cream cones today. And that should be fun. So you saw when I did these ice cream cones that I got the mold from my friend Dawn at the Pink Tree. So now we're going to paint them, and I'm painting them with Golden Glow. I might add a little bit of the honey brown. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I made the cones, right? Painted them, and I'm going to touch them up because a couple of them got a little bit nicked. It's no big deal. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take, you can see I've already kind of messed around with this one. Okay, so here's my cone. Here's my spackle, and I like doing this spackle when it's a little bit harder where it stayed. I've had this for over a month in this container, and it's not the real creamy. It's more it's a little harder, but I like it for the ice cream scoops a little better because it looks, to me, it looks more authentic. And you just got to be patient and work it out of the scoop. Okay, and there's a scoop of your ice cream, and then you can add a little sprinkle that you make with your These are made with your Sculpey. Okay, so there's my scoop of pumpkin ice cream. Now let's put one into a little dish that we've made. Okay, the second thing we're going to do, okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take one of these cups from the Dollar Tree, okay, and these are cute, but I wanted to make my own the way I wanted to make it to go kind of with my decor, which is the more retro, and it's the red and it's the orange and black. So what I did is I just took one of these and just painted it. Just painted, you know, just a cream. And what I'm going to do while the glue gun's heating up, we have our ice cream ready. I think I maybe should put the lid on this. And we're going to come in with this sticker that I've had probably, oh my gosh, you guys, easily 15 years. You can tell everything else has been used from it. I don't know if I want it to go that way. I think I'm going to have it go that way. Okay, so now I'm just going to come in. So I'm going to come up here and just put it right there. And you can dress these cups up any way you want to. I mean, if you really want to. Okay, so I went from this to this, and just because I like it better for what I'm doing. Like I said, nothing wrong with these. But now I don't want to use all of this if I don't have to, or if I want to, I just want it to come up higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of scrapbook paper that I had that were scraps I was going to throw away. And I just made a little cylinder, and we're going to glue, hot glue those to the bottom. And what that's going to do, it's going to hold up this, and I cut this out of a Jello box. And what you can do is you can paint this, which I think I'm going to just go over it once with some paint. Okay, so these are glued down, and I'm going to come in and I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of this peach. It's not a big deal. You're not really going to see hardly anything, so. Alright, I'm going to do one more coat, let it dry, and then we're going to put it down in here and get our ice cream on. Okay, so I have this in now, okay? And now we only have to come up as high as we want. If I had just put it all down in here, all of that spackle would have been wasted. And what for? You know, you want to build it up so you don't have to waste this, because this isn't cheap. Any of you that deal with this know that. So let's go ahead. Let's get these out. You tell me that doesn't look like real ice cream. And this is what you get when it's a little bit harder. I'm going to bring you in just a little bit. And you go there and you be good, okay? Put another one there. Then I can wash this out and reuse it for some more spackle. I'm telling you, your Cool Whip, your yogurt, your lunch meats, I don't care what they are, these are perfect to keep your spackle moist. Like I said, I've had it in this for over a month. I'm going to do one more big scoop on the top because I want to use this up. Okay. Sprinkles. Let me get my spoon. Okay, so here's our spoon. There you go. There's some sprinkles on it. This is a perfect color of pumpkin. I think it is adorable. I hope you guys try this. It is so easy. It adds a really cute decor piece for your hutch or your kitchen, or to give as a gift. You could even put a photo holder right on the side of this and put a picture. These could be place settings as well. Okay guys, so here we go. There it is. There's the ice cream in the cup. We made our own cup the way we wanted it, and there's our ice cream cone. It looks very pink in the camera, but it's not. It's a very peachy pumpkin color. I wish it would come up the way that it really looks, but at least you're seeing what we did. Okay? Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.